That tomorrow is the holiday. Hopefully no weather like they saw overnight in Texas.
No, actually, we're going to clear out this rain. And this is part of the same storm system that produced that severe weather down in Texas. And we're just getting the rain out of it. And you can see it's a lot of rain all the way southern Michigan. You can follow kind of an arc all the way back into Iowa. And so we're going to be with this rain right on through the rest of the afternoon. Let's take a look at it, and we'll kind of zoom in the Grand Rapids area. You can see this one wave pushing in at the present time. But actually, it's heavier and more widespread once you head south to Kalamazoo, Paw Paw. The heaviest rain right around US 12 and the Quincy area, and also around Bronson. It's all part of a big storm system. You can see this in a 2-hour loop, everything kind of counterclockwise swirling right around the St. Louis area. And this is pushing that moisture, which a lot of it's coming up from the Gulf of Mexico, and that's why we're going to have such a wet afternoon. Here's a current look at it. 2 areas of low pressure, and it's slow moving, but eventually they're going to move right south of Michigan or into southern lower Michigan. And as they do, you can see the rain piling up quite a bit. So we're looking at this afternoon likely anywhere from about 1/4 of an inch along the Michigan-Indiana state line to even upwards of 1/2 inch to the north of Grand Rapids. Here's the scene out there right now, and if you follow US 131 north, you're just going to get into more fog. You can see the light fog in this view, but still decent visibility, at least downtown Grand Rapids. But what a gloomy day. 2.5 mile visibility here up to the north, Fremont, around 1/4 of a mile where there's more snow on the ground. It's all the way down to 0. So if you have travel plans on M20, M46, be aware of that. Poor visibility up there. Temperatures right now are in the 40s, and you can follow those 40s right to the south. So we'll stay consistently in the 40s this afternoon. The wind is out of the east and south and east. So here's that area of low pressure I was talking about. We'll put it into motion. By midnight, it should be just south of Grand Rapids, continuing to work its way to the east. As it does, it will take the deeper moisture with it, but left behind, a lot of clouds, and that's what I expect for much of the day on Thanksgiving. Eventually, some clearing is going to try to work its way in, maybe in the western counties right around sunset, but the vast majority of the day is going to be stuck underneath the clouds, but dry if you have any travel plans. On Friday, weak cold front moves through. It looks like it's going to be dry for the most part. Here's an 8-day forecast featuring really a decent looking forecast if you do have those travel plans on Thanksgiving. Consistent weather pattern right through this upcoming weekend with temperatures mid to upper 40s. Saturday and Sunday, partly cloudy skies. May even see that on Friday as well, but more likely on Saturday. We took out the precipitation late on Sunday, but here's the storm system that is potentially in the cards for us after the weekend. It's an odd one. Could give us a rain-snow mix as we'll be on the western side of it. Now here is just one forecast model's projection for snow with a storm system. This is the European model, and it actually has an area of low pressure coming up in the western spine of the Appalachians right into the eastern Great Lakes. And typical with an area of low pressure, you have the snow on the back side of it. Now again, this storm system's a long ways away, so we'll have to fine tune this forecast. Just wanted to show you that we at least have the potential of some decent snow out of this system. That'd be Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week. We'll see.
The 1st of December, basically. Yes.
You got that.
Is there
right.
a saying
Way to
for
kick
that
off
one?
December.
Out
like a lion?
Yeah.
That's
I mean, I know
March.
that's spring,
like a lion? Yeah.
Thanks, Matt.